Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1380, that is lucky numbers in a matrix, and in this we'll be given an m cross n matrix of distinct numbers, and we have to return all the numbers, all lucky numbers in the matrix in any order. And a lucky number is an element of the matrix such that it is the minimum element in its row and maximum in its column. For example, in this we are giving the matrix 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13 and 15, 16, 17. So 15 is the only lucky number which is present, since it is the minimum in its row. 15, 16, 17 it's minimum, yeah, and it's maximum in its column, with the column is 3, 7, 3, 9 and 15, yeah, and that's true. So we are having just 15 as our answer. Okay, so for this what I'll be doing is I'll be calculating the minimum elements of all the rows and the maximum elements of all the columns initially only. Okay, so let's have a list of integer. Let's call it answer. This will be just my answer list, that is equal to new array list. Okay, now that for sorry, not I'll be having array which will be having mint in. Oh, yeah, firstly I know we have to use this a long matrix short length comma in, that will be to matrix 0 dot length. Now what I'll do is, instead I'll just do it here in int m comma n, and I'll just, yeah, n is equal to matrix 0 dot length. Then what I'll be having is I'll be having the min in row as a array, that will be from find min in, min in each row. This is a function, and here I'll be passing in the matrix, and it will be returning me an array instead. I don't know why I'm making so much error today. Yeah. Then I'll be having a max in column matrix, which will be returned from the max in each column, and here also I'll be passing in the matrix. And then let's first write this function, that is private integer array min in each row int matrix. And then what I'll be doing is that I'll be having an answer array which I'll be returning. This will be of size m, as there are m rows, so that for int I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, and then I'll be initializing a max variable, min variable, that will be maximum value of maximum value. Okay, now that, okay, for int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus, what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if my matrix I j is less than, is less than min, then I'll be updating my min equal to matrix of ij. Instead I should have just used iterators, yeah, and then I'll be updating my answer I as the minimum value. Okay, and I have to return answer after that. Then I'll be writing the function, that is private int max in column. Here also I'm having a max in each column, each column. Here I'll be having int matrix. Then I'll be running this answer array. I'll be having this answer array again, but this time it will be of size n, is there are n columns. Then for int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Then for int I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. Okay, let's initialize a max variable here, that will be equal to integer, minimum value of integer dot min underscore value, and then I'll be checking that if matrix of I j is greater than my current maximum, I'll be updating my maximum as matrix of I j, and after this I'll be updating my answer of j, that will be equal to my max, and at the end I'll just return the answer array. Okay, now I'm having the both the arrays, and then now I'll be traversing in the matrix that for int uh, row in matrix. Okay, I'll be needing iterator as well, so instead I'll be use the standard loop only. For int I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, and for int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. And then what I'll be doing is I'll be doing that if my min in row of I is equal to matrix ij, and my max in max in call uh, okay, call j is equal to my matrix ij, that means this is a lucky number. In that case I'll be adding it to the answer list. Answer dot add matrix I j, and at the end I'll return the answer list. Okay, now let's give it a run. Yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works totally fine. Okay, so this is what we did. Thank you for watching.